Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 112 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 112 of the Indian Penal Code has provision for cumulative punishment if an act which has been abetted by an abetter and the act for which it has been abetted and the act which is done is different or a consequence of that, then in those circumstances whether the abetter will be liable for any punishment. So the provision for such circumstances and such situation is given under section 112 of the Indian Penal Code. So today in this video we are going to analyze section 112 of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to my YouTube channel page because there are numerous playlists and these playlists are on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC and various other important issues, and there are numerous videos, very informative and knowledgeable videos are there, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if an abatement is done for a different thing, for a different act, and the act which is done is different, so whether the abetter would be liable for any punishment since he has abated something else, he has done abatement for some other act and something else has been done by the person who has committed the offense. So we are going to analyze it, section 112, but before that let's understand, let's read what is the provision under section 112 in the Bare Act. So section 112 of the Bare Act says, abetter when liable to cumulative punishment for act abated for act done, if the act for which the abetter is liable under the last preceding section is committed in addition to the act abated and constitute a distinct offense, the abetter is liable to punishment for each of the offenses. Here it categorically mentions the abetter would be liable for each of the offenses. So there is a cumulative punishment, he is liable for the cumulative punishment of all the offenses which happened in consequence of that abatement. So let's understand it with an example. Let's say Mr. A abated Mr. B forcefully by giving him life threat. Mr. A abated Mr. B by giving him life threat that go and burn the warehouse of Mr. C. Now, under the fear of instant death, Mr. B went and put the warehouse of Mr. C on fire. Now he do not know, he don't have any knowledge, neither have any intention to kill Mr. C, but Mr. C was sleeping in the warehouse and when the fire took place he was burned and he was killed in the fire. So here Mr. A is cumulative, will be liable for the cumulative punishment for giving life threat to Mr. B, putting the warehouse on fire through abatement, and also he would be liable for the murder of Mr. C. So there would be cumulative punishment for Mr. A for all the offenses separately. So this is about section 112 of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and also share it with your friends and colleagues. I'll be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.